Hi everyone and welcome to Forest Mensuration Lab 1. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel to calculate basal area and tree volume from simple tree inventory data. This is one of the first steps in forest mensuration and Excel makes it super easy. So let's get started. First, open up a new Excel workbook. In the first row, let's type in our headers. In cell A1, enter tree ID. Cell B2, type in DBH. Cell C1, height. Cell D1, basal area. And cell E1, volume. Don't forget this step. Setting up your headers properly will keep your data nice and organized. Once you've done that, save the file as tree measurement. It's always a good habit to save early so you don't lose your work. Now we will go to the next step. Our next step is entering our data. Okay, now let's enter some data. Under tree ID, number your trees from 1 to 10. Next, type in the DBH values and the height in meters from the handout. So I'm going to enter the DBH and then the height values here. DBH done and the height. Remember, for now we are only entering tree ID, DBH and height. We will let Excel do the heavy lifting to calculate for basal area and volume. Now comes the fun part, calculating basal area. The formula is pi times dBH square divided by 40,000. That 40,000 is because dBH is in centimeters and we are converting to square meters. So to enter a formula, we have to first type in equals sign. Once you enter the formula, press enter and there it is, the basal area for tree number 1. Now watch carefully here. Instead of retyping the formula for every tree, just grab the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. Drag it down to D11 and the Excel will automatically calculate basal area for all trees. Super quick, isn't it? Now next step is we are going to calculate the tree volume. So click on cell below the volume and type in the formula for tree volume. The formula is basal area times height times a form factor. For this lab, we're using a form factor of 0.5. So instead of typing the values, you just click on the cell on the basal area. So you see that D2 appears instead of typing, or you can just type D2. So next up, just type multiplication and then type C2 and then multiply by the form factor, which is 0.5. Hit enter and you got the volume for tree number 1. Don't forget this step. You'll need to drag the fill handle again from E2 down to E11 to calculate the volume of all trees. Now you got the answers for the volume. Now next step is checking your data or cleaning up the data. Now everything's calculated, so let's make it look a bit cleaner. Highlight the basal area and volume. Right click and choose format cells. Where's the format cell? Here is it. And set them to 2 decimal places. Go to number and then check the decimal. It's already in 2 decimal places and just click OK. Notice that the numbers have changed to 2 decimal places. This makes the table easier to read and looks much more professional. And finally, that's it. You have built a complete Excel sheet with tree ID, DBH, height, basal area, and volume. This simple workflow is a great introduction to managing forestry data, and it's much faster than using a calculator. Don't forget to save your work once you're done. Thank you everyone and enjoy.